In the last video we advanced petty cash to staff. That advance has now been approved and paid, using the same workflow we covered earlier, so Ada is holding the cash. This video shows the second half, recording how she actually spent it, and watching her outstanding balance come down. Petty cash spending lives under payments, in petty cash. We open it and start a new petty cash voucher. The voucher number and date fill in for us. First we choose the fund the spending is drawn against, our petty cash account. Then we choose the staff member who held the cash, Ada Okeke. Straight away, ZetaFisc shows Ada's advance, 100,000 naira advanced, non-reimbursed yet, so 100,000 outstanding. This is the cash she must now account for. Now we list what she spent it on. The first item, office cleaning materials, 35,000 naira, charged to office supplies. We add a second line for fuel for the office generator, 40,000 naira, charged to utilities. As we enter the spending, watch the advance card. It totals 75,000 naira spent, and previews the remaining balance, 25,000 naira she still holds and must account for later. We create the petty cash voucher. Once it is approved, that 75,000 is reimbursed against her advance, and her outstanding balance drops to 25,000, exactly matching the cash she has left. And that completes the petty cash cycle. Advance the cash to staff, then record exactly how it was spent, with every naira tracked against each person's balance. ZetaFisc keeps petty cash fully accountable.